Today we booked this entire property for ourselves. When I say complete property, it's just us in this property, and that includes this room, this walkway, this room, and 3 more like these, and a private pool. Namaskaram everyone, this is Satya Akka Watersoul and welcome to my YouTube page. And today we are staying in Kurakota. Watersoul, you tell that you're poor to everyone. How did you book this entire stay, you ask? Yes, we have come in collaboration with Kurakota to this property. They have been asking for a long while and I didn't expect that the property will be so beautiful. And if you see, there's no one around in this, like, the vehicles are of the people who work here, so don't say no one is there. मतलब लोग जो काम करते हैं वो है. This ground is so big. This is the parking, it seems. It's so big they can actually give it to the nearby school for as a playground as well. So now let's go inside. I mean, because this property abhi koi nahi hai, like literally there's no one here. It's all ours. And here, as you come, this is a very big restaurant area. Nice seating places. Ekdam se cute huts mein you can sit and enjoy. And you have here where they take the orders here. Where they take the orders and few things that you can buy. And inside also they have some parking. They are good with the safety also. They have sand and water, which is nice. And the trees are also good, very well maintained. Akka was cleaning, Jaya Akka, she's also very cute. And here we have got birds. Hi Birdu. Hi. There are so many of them here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And those two are kissing. Caught. This is their reception area, which again is very beautiful. And all the main points are monitored. So kuch mat karna. Okay, now as you come, here we have got a pond. Oh my god. So we have come here from Peace Garden, where also we put a new pond. And here the pond is very aesthetic. Hopefully that becomes like this. Hello, what are you doing? Nothing, it seems.
What are you doing?
I am enjoying the view. And now let's go. And as you enter, like I am showing you how we enter the property. And we have got, as I told you, it's not just those two. And we have 3 of these kind of cottages here, which are all different themed, which we'll check later. You can see behind me, you have an amazing pool. We'll dive into that later, but come. Now we have to check our room. Obviously, the person who maintains this, her name is Senorita. So it's so nice, so I had to tell the name. So she told me which room I want. I said, I'll have the jacuzzi room because I've been staying in Auroville and nahana bahut difficulty ho gaya hai. So let's go to the SMS room. As you enter, it's an amazing jacuzzi over here, filled with flowers. So Watersoul exclusive में footage आएगा ही आएगा. And this is our bathroom. And if no one knows, my favorite color is blue. Of course, I'm Watersoul. And it's green. I love green. You would have thought, enter करते ही bathroom कौन दिखाता है? This property is made just for us because it's highlighting the bathroom here. And as you go up, it gives you a vibe of the treehouse. And देखो इधर मेरे पाँव के लिए flower. Welcome guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel in Kurakota. और इतना वाइब बना दिया है ना इधर, तो ऊपर आओ. This is the bed that has nice love heart. That's my heart for you. And this is okay. Ah, it has to be turned over here. You can go down and say me hi. एकदम मस्त है ना? I know. Hi. Okay. So this is like that clock is then a cuckoo clock from where a bird will come. Kuchuku, kuchuku, kuchuku. It's the same house that they replicated, I guess. And this is the balcony with a nice view. Not much obstruction. There's nice view of the pool as well. And there's little birdies and owls here. And let's see what all is there in the room. We've got nice bed. Tree house में इतना ही bed मिलेगा. Adjust हो जाओ. This is a vibe, okay? It's Orville vibe. We have got cooler and everything. Fan भी है. नीचे closet space must. Bathroom is so good. You have got TV. So saying all of that. Yeah, we have got TV. My boyfriend is shocked. TV is also here. He's like that. So we have got everything. So I'm giving this room a whooping 5 on 5. The best room, best hut I've seen ever. Every hut. This is SMS themed room. What is SMS? I don't know. I'll ask them. But the other rooms are all the seasons. Winter, summer, autumn, spring. It's so amazing. So let's go see all the seasons now. Winters may be delayed in your life, but you can experience here in Kurakuta right this moment only. So let's go into the winter room. So white flowers indicate winter. So everything is theme based. जो theme बाहर लिखा है ऐसे ही नहीं लिखा है. Everything is theme based. So इधर you have white flowers, and as you go up, here you go. This is our room in Winter Cottage and the balcony. But what is special between winter is it is connected to spring. Yeah, come. I'll show you how. So this walkway, 2 families can come. रह सकते हो अलग-अलग tree house में and then still be connected. This is nice view of the pool. इधर बैठ सकते हैं, but I don't think it can take more than 2 people's weight.
No, it can take.
It can take. Yeah, he confirmed it. It can take. मेरे जैसे लोगों को तो they can easily put so many. Yes. Come. Although I would say it is a little tricky to come here. बड़े-बड़े बुड्ढों के लिए नहीं है. It's all for the young, adventure hearted like us. So इधर भी. So this is, what leaves are these? Autumn leaves. So now we are in the autumn room. So winter is connected to autumn and we have got everything. And here भी अच्छा खासा view. Oh wow! इधर तो मस्त है. And everything, TV, all of that is obviously there. Also, except for our jacuzzi rooms, these two are AC. Only jacuzzi is available in the SMS room. And now, as I told you, that this is autumn. And here we have got a lot of autumn leaves. मजा आ गया ना autumn का. So, again, welcome to my channel. I don't know why I gave that pic, but yes. So this is our autumn. So now we went inside the winter and came back from autumn, and now let's go check spring. Okay, everything is nice. They maintained the theme and all also nicely. But spring lo vastada Christmas. Winter lo kada. Okay. Now we are going into spring. If only entering seasons is this easy. Huh? Hi, Neelakurinji anavu. They said Neelakurinji is available only for 12 years once. Maharashtra pura blooming this season. Why? How? It's nice only. It's no why. And also the same thing, bathroom at the bottom. And we are going into, my boyfriend time freezed me here. Okay. Now let's go up. Also mind your head. I think this is nice. This is the way you have to put your extra bed. Not like this. This is nice. It has got again view. सब खिड़की खोल के दिखाऊंगी तो it's not nice no. एट द रेट वाला लॉक भी है इधर. क्लॉक नॉट लॉक. So, I think spring is gloomy, so we have got blue view, not pole view. Pichkulu will come. Spring hai to obviously so many birds will be there. So much shore also will be there. So enjoy that. Let's go to summer. Not interested. I want virgin mojito already. Welcome to summer. And the accessibility is pretty neat, very easily accessible. Everything is available on the maps, too good, and hence will give accessibility a proper 5 on 5 actually, because the rents of the bikes here are just 200 rupees. So you come in Pondicherry or in Auroville, get a bike for 200 rupees. Like I'll tell you where we get the bike for 200 rupees. New Creations, that's the place in Auroville, and it's quite cheap. So 5 on 5. Here we have got a thoda raised bed. Same. But where is the AC though? Summer needs AC, no? Wrong they put. They put autumn and winter AC, and in summer they don't put AC. I'll talk with the people. We saw every room, every cottage to be precise. So there are other rooms also available, which are like not the tree houses, but just the rooms in a proper cottage like that one. We'll go see them. Here to pura injustice hi ho gaya. They thought summer, winter, autumn, spring. What else season is there? Oh, no season. Let's keep my son's name here. I am thinking Jasi is the name of his son or their name only, because you remember Jabi? His Chota brother's name is Jasi. So I'm thinking this is the name of their child or something. But yeah, let's go see Jasi. Oh, Jasi, you're nice. Yeah. AC. Jasi has got AC. And nice closet space. Sitting area. And let's see the washroom as well. It's pretty decent, normal. It's not, it's normal. But yeah. Come. Somehow better than Q experience. Don't show it to any Q experience person, please. I'm telling you, somehow better. But so there is another room on top of Jasi. I'm thinking on top of Jasi should be Jabi. But then I don't know. So let's go check out the name, what it is. I'm very excited. What is that? No. Jayaka. Idu name what? Idu pair. Right on name.
Idu room pair anaka.
Creating a lot of calling so many people. Creating a nuisance over here. Literally. Chaotic content creators we are. Oh, like people like me who want to sit here and fall down, don't do that. Come sit here. Before Jayaka comes and tells us, this is balcony for them. Nice. And the view of a restaurant. What is the name of this? Jasset.
Friends room. Six person staying.
Okay. It's called Jasset. Jabi, you are unlucky. You didn't get your name here, man. Now let's go see the Jasset. It's a 6 people room. And बहुत बड़ा है. I've already seen it. You know me, no? 6 लोग आके रह सकते हो इधर. Oh my god. And also look at these things. I don't know what they'll think. I'm thinking I'll steal one and go. And I don't know why it is here or it's working or not. And let me see myself. Oh, I understand why you call me oil factory. Too much oil is coming. Oh, wait. These open like this. उस तरफ कुछ नहीं है. I'm too excited for every stuff, huh? But this is a nice room, no? It has got again your cooler, your TV, everything. And this is 6 people room. तो 6 लोग आ जाओ. तुम लोग तो 6 क्या? 8 लोग आ जाओ. And this is not a tree house like नीचे कुछ हो जाएगा क्या? No, this is ground. This is ground, literally ground. I mean ground मतलब cement. So 8 लोग तो अमेजिंग रह सकते हो. एक इधर सो जाना, 2 लोग इधर. इसमें 5 लोग सो जाओ. उधर 2. I told more than 8. If you are a part of my Watersoul exclusive, you know, yesterday only we started our diet again. And Kurakota is not subscribed us, so doesn't know. तुम subscribe करके देखो what are we doing in our daily life. And we have a feast here. And before that, you know what these two are? Rendu pallu. What is this? Rendu pallu. Okay. So Jaya Akka was eating these for herself. I don't know what it is called. My boyfriend told it is called Regupandu, which I didn't like the name. You tell me what name is that? What do you call? It look like cherries and they're very sour. I like them very much. Very tasty. So Chechi was eating herself. No siggu saram, nothing. No manam maryada, nothing. Went there. Chechi want this. Yes, they took it. Okay, let's see the food. We have got vegetarian ante chal bro. Beetroot ondastaru, but I like beetroot, which is a plus point for all. I think every vegetarian must be liking it. But then we have bro. ఇది మా అమ్మ చేస్తుంది పప్పు కూర విసే యాక్చువల్లీ మీల్స్ తెచ్చారు ఎందుకంటే మేము మీల్స్ అడిగాం ఐ డోంట్ నో అబౌట్ దర్ రెస్టారెంట్ రైట్ నౌ సో బయట తెచ్చిన మీల్స్ కాబట్టి మామూలుగానే చేయొచ్చు రివ్యూ ఇవ్వచ్చు బట్ ఎప్పటికీ బాగుంది అప్పడాలు మాత్రం ఐఎమ్ నాట్ అలవింగ్ మై బాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్ టు ఈవెన్ టచ్ మై అప్పడాలు ఇట్ సౌండెడ్ వెరీ రాంగ్ బట్ ఈస్ నాట్ గోయింగ్ టు టచ్ మై అప్పడాలు అండర్స్టూడా Baka. What better way to discuss nature while it is raining? Chalo, let's go see the farm. So this farm is included in Kurakota, and Kurakota, Kurai is huts. So there are like group of huts, it's Kurakota. This is tomatoes. And we have one small tomato over there. And here we have brinjal. Ah, this is cashew tree. There you have cashew nuts over here. And cashew nuts are to be taken very meticulously. It's a very big process. This is jamkai, guava tree. Yes. Banana tree. Here you have guttonkai, small wankailu are there. Brinjal. And this is cashew tree. And we have here bananas all around. And here this is green chili. And there we have potlakai. Butterflies also roaming everywhere. So many pichkulu doing kitch 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 kitch. And
So you use these vegetables for our cooking or
oh, they use these vegetables for cooking essence. Also we have restaurant as well, right? Tie up. Ah, okay. It's but it's working. Oh, nice.
Oh, we got the food from there only. So the Thai-up restaurant. Oh, nice.
Oh, nice.
Okay.
So the food we ate was from the Thai-up restaurant. So they're using the vegetables from here. So fresh. Nice. Okay, let's go. This cashew just hit me in my head. This is tobacco tree. And you know, no, tobacco is a leaf. Pata hai na? Yeah. So this is tobacco tree. There is some similarities between other things as well. I thought Kurakota I'll give nature a very little because it didn't have so much. Although we can go to places around like the beaches here near Pondicherry, Auroville, all of these places. But then the property itself has got a big farm. People are working and they're using the food from here only. They're sourcing fresh vegetables, it seems. And there is that is what she told us. It is snake bottle guard, and then there is actual bottle guard on the other side, it seems. There are like too many things growing on around here, and it's so wonderful. So I loved it. It has got cashew nuts also they're growing. So nice. And you know, cashew nut is actually not a nut.
Fruit.
It's a fruit. Okay, so I loved it. I love the place. It's got so much nature around. I think you'll also enjoy. This is almost like we have rented the property along with the farm. So, हाँ लोग काम कर रहे हैं, but still we are alone in the farm. So let's give this nature a 5 on 5. 5 on 5. 5 on 5. You must see those tropical huts in Bali, which has got a nice hut, and then this pool or jacuzzi. So we have got just the one here in Pondicherry in Kurukotta, and I'm just loving the vibe. It's currently raining outside, so actually the pool is closed only, so I could actually enjoy the pool. But it's 11 p.m. and I want to have a nice sauna. So let's get into our jacuzzi in our honeymoon suite. I don't know how, like, it's been like 2.5 years and I'm still celebrating honeymoon without having actually been wed. So, this, oh, it's so cool, it's so nice. Oh, the room is all in our temperature, room temperature, and I am getting to enjoy this. So, still, I'm not going to reveal the water swell factor because we usually do it in the pools. Cyclone आ जाता है कभी भी. Whenever I want to go have a nice time in a pool or in a resort, it starts raining, and somehow I planned my pool wala shoot in the morning only, and it's nice. I have done one good thing, that yesterday night also I have shown you footage of the pool, and also we have happily get into the jacuzzi also. So water avahiyami ho gaya hai. Each hut is like 2500 only for couple, and if it's like single person it is like 1500, and these increase, they're like 800 only, and for children below 15 years there's like zero charges, and your recurring customer you get loyalty discount. Like she's like because in Pondicherry and all you cannot have this hut experience, you have to go somewhere to Kerala or something, or some rich places or some costly places will be there which are not affordable. So she wanted to create something which is very nice but also in budget to you. I am telling you all of this because water swell factor I'm going to give 5 on 5 because yesterday night jacuzzi was so nice, I loved it so much. So we are giving water swell factor a 5 on 5. Avahiyami. Okay. And then we have total rating. We have food is 3, restaurant is 5, no baby. So it is like 23 into 2 is 46. And by 10 is 4.6. The rating is 4.6, guys. So do check this resort when you are in Pondicherry and just enjoy this amazing wala place. Yeah, in just few bucks. And bugs, not bugs. No bugs, first of all. Like inside the hut, you actually get a lot of pests, lot of bugs usually. 0. So, that's a good job. Because I am actually slow traveling. I have to go back to another hut which I'll have to stay together with all the living beings. I know that is the sustained way of living, but okay, it's 4.6 and we are signing off now. Watch our more of this footage, BTS, jacuzzi and all of that in our water swell exclusive, and you can actually get a full swipe of our exercise videos there. So go watch there, like, share, subscribe, and bye bye. See you. And I hope I survive this cyclone.